Hello everybody. Today we're going to look at a 2015 Lincoln MKS Brochure, and once again trying to adapt to the ever-changing lighting conditions. So you have my foot on this side, my foot on this side, sitting on the side of the couch. You got brochures this way and you got brochures that way. So I'm just having some fun, and hopefully you will too. Maybe if I bring it down a little so you guys can see better, maybe like that. All right, why not? So 2015 MKS, the new flagship. I like the little cutout that they've done in the shape of a star. All right, they've actually pressed all these stars here, so that's nice to see. 2015 MKS, there it is. It's a huge brochure. I don't remember where I got it from. I don't think I bought it. I think I probably did get it from a dealership at the time. Yeah, it's pretty nice. All right, so Lincoln MKS. And then, I don't know what's up with that. You got like a little, like a background person rowing. Yeah, I don't know of any situation where you would bring your MKS to the beach and it would be like so close to the water and clean. But it is what it is. Beauty is more than skin deep. Okay, so got sunroof, push button, black, wood, everything is nice. Small changes can make big difference. So I think MKS was released, what, in 2010, I believe? So this is 2015, you know, quite later in the production run. And this is a redesign. So it's got a facelift, I think, since it was released here. So yeah, obviously, very nice photography, can't complain there. You know, here we are in the city. Yeah, so this is post facelift because it had a different grill, which actually I do have it because I just done filming the 2011 and they had the MKS there. So we can actually look at it. Yeah, there you go. So not sure which one looks better or worse. Probably around the same. Maybe even this one is a little better looking. I don't know. Oh, let's look at the interior too when we get there. So let's leave this one like this. All right. Adaptation is key. I don't know, what are they talking about? Like what, adaptive suspension or something? Okay, yeah, so this is interesting. This is kind of how they redesigned it. So this was the original. Kind of looked pretty similar to an MKZ, if you ask me. Very similar. And I think I even made a comparison in the last video where you had the MKZ, which is actually had more wood stuff in there. And then they went with this. So maybe a little more upscale, maybe not. Still got a little bit of that wood trim. Got a little bit more wood here too. They still got that stupid sliding thing, which never really worked for me. The few times that I tried using it in different cars. But, you know, got chrome bits and pieces here and there. All right, got that single speedometer flinged by. Oh, I can see myself in the reflection. Check this out. So you guys know I'm wearing, you can see the camera and I'm wearing a red t-shirt. Okay. Yep. So, you know, size, I've sat in a few MKSs. Yeah, it's like the rear passenger seat. Yeah, it's quite roomy. So even though the car itself is probably a little smaller than the town car used to be, it's quite nice. So once again, you know, I wonder in what big city in the middle of the city you will have this vast open space and no traffic in the background. Yeah, in a city that doesn't exist. So once again, some parking stuff. Alrighty, so what are they pushing for here? They've got their Lincoln Touch, all the different USB connections, all the different screens, the THX certified. I do like how they kind of cut out here for that center speaker. It's all right. You know, I imagine, I never owned an MKS, but I imagine this little strip of chrome, like I think that's where the ashtray would be, like if you're parked in the sunlight, I can imagine that being quite hot when you try to access that little cubby there. All right, sense of awareness. You got all your, oh, the driver alert. I didn't know that MKS has had that. So if you start swerving and sliding, I guess it will alert you. And then you have the blind spot. All right, once again, awesome photography. I also like how the whole picture's kind of like monochrome, and then you got people with red jackets running in the background. It almost looks like Christmas. Although I'm not sure if that's the lighting or... Oh yeah, it is, because it says safe travel and talks about how, you know, the traction control and everything else works. Okay, so there was MKS and MKS with EcoBoost. So those were the two trims. So basically like the regular flavor and the sporty flavor. And still, you know, a lot of options. So it's interesting how on an MKS, the cold weather package, heated steering wheel, rear outbound seat, and then it requires an elite package. So like the heated, okay, I guess the heated rear seats were kind of a thing, you know, more luxury. But then what is the elite package? Where are the packages, I guess? I don't know if they even have them here. You know, I don't know. It does not say. Extended service plan? Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it doesn't say what the elite package is. Oh, wait a minute. Duh. These are the packages. It's okay. So packages. So, oh, all right. So, because I thought these were all for options, but no, I totally missed that it's a package. Yep. So then you could get that. You could get the voice-activated navigation system, and then the adaptive cruise control stuff. Okay, so these were the packages. So to get one package, you had to get another package. All right, got it. No, I'm not stupid, just a little slow. All right. There you go. Ooh, all the different colors. I do like this darker wood material. Prussian burl wood. Okay, I'll take it. Or this. Oh, okay, Prussian burl wood. I'm like it's exactly the same, but no, because it's a different color of the interior. Yeah, one is like more gray, and one is more like tan. All right, now the wheels. Got an MKS. The Lincoln Motor Company. There you go. All right, everybody. 2015 MKS. Love it, hate it. It is what it is. We'll see you.